Hello dear Aquarius, how are you guys doing? I'm so sorry for this. So this is the reading for December 2020, remaining days of December 2020. What is happening with you? Let's check it out. Okay. So right now what you are doing, Aquarius, is you're enjoying your family life. This is the 10 of Cups. You are with your family, you are enjoying a happy family. There is kind of ceremonies, there is kind of kids running around you, there is kind of happiness, you are with your spouse or your partner and you're loving this energy. Right now you are just enjoying your family life, and the world is also there. The world is suggesting me there's a completion of a cycle, or you might be traveling to some new country, to some new state, or something new that you have never been to, right? This is kind of travel card as well, work related travel, or kind of travel related to some kind of ceremonies, or there's something that you want to explore. Maybe vacation you are going. There's some kind of energy that is related to travel. There's some kind of energy that is completing a full cycle, and that is going to change your life a little bit. Transformation is also there in the coming days of December, right? Then in the later part, in the middle part of December, what is happening with you is you are confused. This is 7 of Cups energy, Aquarius. You are very, very confused about something. Maybe you want to do something in your life. You have 2-3 options or choices or projects coming in your life, and you are not ready to take anything from that because you're so much confused about these things. You are feeling like this project looks good, but this is paying me good, but that one is a long-term situation and that is going to pay me in the long term. So you're very, very confused about these things. But what I suggest you to do is, Aquarius, you have to focus on the thing that is making money to you, that is making money slowly but surely, okay? Because this is what the card suggests. This is 8 of Coins or 8 of Pentacles, you can say. After the confusion, after after you have so many choices to make, you are going to make a choice that is making money to you, that is giving money to you as well, that is giving you a long-term satisfaction as well. So you have to choose the one choice which is going to help you in the long run financially, okay? You don't have to run behind the thing that is looking very, very good but not working out in the long term, okay? So you have to be little careful about your choices, whatever you are doing in your future, financially, or we can say in the career front, okay? Knight of Wands energy is also there. There's some project, definitely there's something coming in your life in the later part. Maybe you can say after 20th of December, there's something or some work or some project is coming to you, but you are really very confused about this particular situation or project or work. Maybe you will deny it, maybe you will say no to it because you are confused and you are not sure about this particular thing. But what I suggest you to do is, please don't say no to this without thinking about this particular project, or please don't say no to this because you are thinking like, no, this is not worth it. But it is going to worth it, okay, Aquarius? The choice you are going to make is going to be worth it, okay? So you have to make a choice that is going to make you money as well, and that is going to make you happy as well, okay? This is the thing for you for the 20th or from this second part of December, remaining part of December, okay? And in the last part of December, what I can see is there's something that is coming to you that you were waiting for from a long time. This is 3 of Wands. This is the results coming out. This is something that is happening with you after a long time of waiting, after a long time of researching, after a long time of working hard. There's something that is coming to you that is making you happy, but this is making you happy, yes, but there's something that is death is also there. That is not the physical death of yours. It is kind of what I can feel is there's rebirth of your Aquarius. Rebirth. You no longer are in the mood of talking to the same person, talking to the same negative person, living in the same negative environment, or connecting with the same toxic people in your life. So there's some kind of transformation going on from your within, and you're feeling like, no, this is no longer serving me. I'm going to change it. No matter how hard it is for me, I'm going to change it. I'm standing my own ground. This is not how it is working. So I have to change a few things in my life before entering 2021, and I will change it no matter how hard it seems to me right now, and that is going to transform you. What I can feel is spiritual awakening kind of thing is also happening to you in the last week of December. But what you have to keep in mind is that this is a gradual process. There's There's lots of pain also associated with this. There's lots of, tie cutting is also there. Like there are certain relationships in your life that you have to cut out to become spiritually aware, spiritually awakened. Okay, yeah. So you have to work hard on yourself, Aquarius, if you want something good in your life, else you are going to be caught up in a circle which is very toxic, the relationship which are very toxic, the people around you which are making your environment, negative. So you have to cut out all these people from your life, all this negativity, all this toxicity, otherwise you are going to suffer. Okay, if you are able to do this, cutting all the negativities, all the stuff what I'm telling you, you are going to transform into something angelic, something very very beautiful, something very very creative, and in a happy zone. Okay, so Aquarius, this is kind of advice as well to you guys. So this is a reading for you for the remaining month of December. I hope you like it. If you like it, just do let me know in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. God bless you. Namaste.